Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. And I've got the privilege of showing you this beautiful 2020 Harris 250 Solstice. It's powered by a 350 horsepower Mercury Verado. Got your JL audio speakers here in the back. Right here is an extension cord plug here for your battery charger. So no longer having to fight with that. Also back here on the rear is a JL audio remote to control your stereo system. Cup holders have LED accent lighting in them. There's some more of that JL Diamond series. Harris really is easily accessible under all seats. One hand access always. It's your cup holders here. This is equipped with a sport tower package. Got your bimini here right here behind me. Really amazing gray interior package. I enjoy it. Got your JL audio system, be able to connect wirelessly with Bluetooth connectivity. Your SIMRAD navigation unit. Here's your gauges. Easy control panel, your LED accent lighting controller, wireless phone charging station. As we move forward, you got your ski and tow locker storage here. For any questions, feel free to contact us at 573-606-3029. And any questions regarding this boat, ask for Jansen. Make sure to like and subscribe to our page. Thank you for watching.